Hey everyone, I want to fill you in on a tech drama that's been hitting Charleston and parts of the Southeast. Imagine you're working from home, or maybe you've just settled in for a streaming marathon. And then, boom, your internet vanishes. That's exactly what happened on September 30th, when a major AT&T broadband outage rocked the Lowcountry. So, here's the deal. This wasn't your usual oops, unplugged the router situation. AT&T came out and said the problem was a fiber cut. But, plot twist, it wasn't even their own lines. Nope. A third-party network, not owned by AT&T, is where things went sideways. Even regional provider WOW confirmed it. The hardest hit spots? West Ashley and Johns Island got absolutely slammed, and folks over in Mount Pleasant, Isle of Palms, Goose Creek, and Somerville felt it too. Businesses, schools, remote workers, everyone was scrambling. It's easy to forget just how much we rely on that invisible web until it's suddenly gone. So, what's AT&T doing about it? Their spokesperson, Eric Onyechefule, said they're in direct contact with the company responsible for the fiber cut. Crews have been hustling to get things patched up. And here's a direct quote from AT&T. "We understand how important these services are and appreciate the patience of our customers." I mean, patience is one thing, but when your whole life runs on Wi-Fi, it's tough not to get frustrated, right? As of late last night, AT&T was estimating a restoration time of 9 to 10 hours for a lot of affected areas. But honestly, there's still no official word on when everything will be back to normal for everyone. And get this, people in West Ashley are already on edge, because there was a massive Dominion Energy power outage earlier in the week. 1-2 punch if you live there. If you're dealing with the outage, officials are advising you to lean on your mobile data for now, assuming that's still working in your area. So, are you in Charleston, or one of the affected towns? How has the AT&T outage hit you? Drop your story in the comments. I want to hear how you're handling it. And if you want updates as soon as they drop, make sure you're subscribed. Hang in there, Charleston. I'll keep you posted as soon as I know more.